What if I told you that you can start earning $100 per day using just your phone and free AI tools? No experience needed, no money to invest, and no camera required. This method is working right now, and you can start from home. Hi, I'm your name, and welcome to the channel where I bring you the latest ways to make money online using AI and zero investment. In this video, we'll go step by step through a method that's helping beginners make $500 to $1,000 per week. All you need is a smartphone and free tools. Make sure to watch till the end, because I'll also show you how to scale this to $3,000 a month. First, go to ClickBank.com or dgstore24.com. Create a free account on either platform. Choose a high-converting digital product, preferably in the health, finance, or relationship niche. Look for products that pay 50% or more commission. Copy the affiliate link for that product. Next, open ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Write a 60-second ad script for product name that sounds exciting and helpful. Then go to Pictory.ai. Paste that script into Pictory and generate a faceless video using their stock footage and voiceover. You now have a full video ready for posting without showing your face or using a camera. Now, go to Canva.com. Create a simple image ad or short video using their free templates. Add your affiliate link using a shortener like bit.ly.com. Post these graphics and videos on platforms like Facebook groups, Pinterest, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Every time someone clicks your link and buys the product, you get paid. Even if only 3 people buy in a day, you can easily make $100 or more. The